Hello, my unicorns. It's your favorite baby mama. Welcome back to my channel. This is Premier Lace Wigs. I have the deep wave middle part. This is a 360 lace wig. I love the 360s only because I could choose to put this wig in a ponytail if I like. I am going to try that, but right now, this is the style I'm going to do, which is work with it down. But this comes with the strap so that you're able to wear your elastic band. It comes with the middle part already pre-plucked, bleached, like really advanced bleach knots. It's just amazing. I love Premier Lace Wigs. I kid you not. This is my favorite wig company. So I'm about to cut the back of the lace. I do that off my head, and the front one I cut while on my head. But you guys, I cannot express to you enough how much I love Premier Lace Wigs. Like when I get their packages, I'll be so happy when their wigs come in because they are so freaking amazing. Anyway, this is the wig, and I am placing it on my head to kind of see, where it needs to be lined up and whatnot, if I got it on my head right. I love their wigs because it fits so perfectly. As you can see, I'm already happy. Had to change the lighting, but this is how it looks. It's time to get this baby glued down. Look at my son, y'all. This is my little handsome son. He was rolling around with his little boxer thing on his body. But now it's time to glue this down. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Now with Premier Lace Wigs, I never wash the wig before I put it on. I just put it on because I feel like their wig is amazing. Now once the wig is on my head, that's when I'll go and wash my hair, style it, do all that because yeah, this wig is just amazing. This wig is just it's just so freaking nice. I didn't even have to put any makeup on my cap, but I still did anyway. I didn't need to do that because their knots are already bleached and it looks really good. So yeah, I'm just gluing it down. I'm in a rush today, or that day I was in a rush. So if you guys can tell that I'm low-key rushing, then you guys know me way too well. But that day I was hella rushing, and I still feel like I did a good job placing this wig on my head. Anyway, look at the hairline. This wig is so amazing. Check out Premier Lace Wigs. The rest of the details would be in the description box. I hope that you guys like this. And it was short applying this wig and putting it on because, like I said, I was in a rush that day. But don't forget to give a thumbs up for Premier Lace Wigs. And stay tuned so you guys can see me play on the PS4. I really suck at playing games. I do. So you're going to see that. Anyway, thank you so much, Premier Lace Wigs. I love their hair, and you guys will see more of Premier Lace Wigs because I really fucks with their company. Like, look, this is so bomb. All right, bye, guys.